Gotcha! Ha ha! I caught you in midair. Hope you got that. Gotcha! Ha ha! I caught you in midair. Hope you got that. See, that was a good one. Talk to you later. That was good. Action! Okay, we're going. We're rolling. I'm going to chase you. Did you get that one? Oh. Well, that's what you call low bridge. Oh, ouch. So I made this plane out of old broken down parts. You can see right there, that's the propeller. It's well protected. Battery goes right inside of here. I have to say it looks pretty good. Well, you never know how it's going to fly. I wanted shiny. I got shiny, didn't I?
I didn't realize it.
I know.
Turn it this way and come over here. The sun will shine on it. You can see it.
Oh, it's a beautiful machine.
Yeah.
How much you say that was? $2,000? $2,000.
Yeah.
Whoo! You don't want to wreck it, do you?
I've only wrecked it once, and it cost me $350.
Oh.
I was up doing a demo down at Kinderhook, old Kinderhook.
Oh, you do shows.
Yeah. I was down there and I was too close to the ground. I was on my last 30 seconds of battery and I tried to pull out of it and I couldn't, and the battery didn't have
Oh, you know, that happened to me once. It's like, can I go one more round?
Yeah,
No.
too far.
And it's like, when I was at my sister's house, and I was flying it with my brother, and it's like we were over the ocean. I thought I could bring it in one more time, and it was out over the ocean and just splashed, ruined everything, ruined the electric, and actually a surfer came up with his wetsuit because my brother and I didn't want to go in the water because we had shoes on, and it was funny because a surfer came up and gave us our plane back. But it was ruined after that.
Oh,
yeah. All right.
There, we had a lot of dry air moving into the area after midnight.
All right, this is my apartment. What I like about this apartment is that the sun comes all the way through the apartment.
Now, not as cold because of cloud cover. Crosshairs.
Yeah, makes it nice and warm. And there's my airplane, and there's the little rascal. That's a fast one. And of course, there's beautiful women everywhere. San Francisco, Christmas tree. Wait, let me turn on the Christmas tree. There we go, Christmas tree. Mother's Day thing. Oh, more beautiful women. Yay. And there's the Earth, and the Death Star, the little disco ball. And back into the apartment. Wow, it's warm today.
So we'll be seeing a lot of water as developing low pressure continues to head our way. But we're looking at a quiet evening.
See all the trees turning colors?
But what Futurecast is not showing is the potential for